Good afternoon, my sunflowerians. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So today we are going to learn table of two. Okay, so we are going to learn table of two in a playway method. Okay, so everyone is ready. If you all are ready, please put your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up if you are ready. Show me your thumbs up if you are ready. Very good, nice. So we'll just start it. Okay, so let me just tell you first of all, what are the things required? What are the things required? Let me just tell you. So we require this much size of paper. Okay, so we have to get this much size of paper. Fine. I have just cut it down in the shape of rectangle. This is a rectangle and I have cut 10 pieces like this. Okay, 10 pieces of papers are like this. Okay, this is 1, 2 and 8 more are there. So you have to cut 10 pieces like this. So if the parents are sitting near, I just want to request parents to please pay attention here. I'm going to tell you a playway method of how you can teach your children the table of two. Okay. So for that, the material required is piece of paper, rectangle piece of paper, any color. It could be any color. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we have to get 10 pieces like this. Okay, 10 pieces like this. Now what you have to do, you just have to fold, just take one paper. Okay, take one paper, fold the paper like this, like this. We are folding the paper like this. I'll put it here. Just a minute. Now is it visible? Is it clearly visible? Okay, just a minute. So I have taken one rectangle sheet of paper and I have folded like this. Okay, you need to fold it like this. Fine. Now take one scissor and make with the pencil, just make a triangle here. One triangle. I'm making it dark so that it is visible. Just make a triangle here like this. One triangle and two triangles. Okay, I'm making two triangles here like this. Is it visible to everyone? I'll repeat my instructions. What I did, I took a paper like this. I folded them like this. And then I have made two triangles like this. Okay, this side of the paper where I have folded, this side of the paper I have made two triangles. Okay, now I need to take a scissor, cut these triangles. I'm going to cut this like this. See. Okay, cut it like this and throw it. Throw that part. Another triangle, cut it like this. Okay, now we'll just open it. Okay, we'll open it. So we will see that we have come up with two diamonds. Okay, inside the whole card there are two diamonds. Fine. I'm going to repeat how I made it once again. Again, I'll take a piece of paper, cut it in the shape of rectangle and then fold it like this. Fine, fold it like this. And then make two triangles here. One triangle and two triangles. Okay, and then I'll have to cut them like this. See, I'm cutting like this. One triangle I have cut, then another one I have cut. Understood? When I open this paper, then I'll come up with two diamonds. Two diamonds. I'll come up with two diamonds. Fine. In this way, you have to make 10 sheets. I have already made 10 sheets like this. Okay, is it visible? 10 sheets I have made. In every sheet, there are two diamonds. Every piece of paper, there are two diamonds. Okay, now we are going to start how to write table of two. Okay, so I'll just call my kid. He will write for you and you will be able to understand better. Riyansh, come here. Riyansh, come here. Please be seated, Beta. Please be seated. Come forward. Very good. Come forward. Very good. So my kid is here and he is going to write table of two for you. Okay, come a little forward. Yeah, or you can stand. Very good, very good. So he is going to write table of two and I will tell him how to write. Stand up, stand up, stand up. So it is visible from here. It is visible from here in the camera. Okay, it's better that stand up, stand up. Yeah, stand up now. Then how will people be able to see you? You want people to see you now? Stand up. Very good. See, everyone is watching. Very good. So, see how he is writing table of two. First, I have put one card here. Okay, I am showing him one card. Then he has to write two first. Riyansh, write two in your copy. Two. Very good. Then you have to write a cross. Like the way you write X, you write a cross. Very good. And then I will ask my kid to see how many cards are there. Riyansh, how many cards are there? One. So after cross, you will have to write a one. So that means you will write 2 multiply by 1 because one card is there. Okay, and then Riyash, you have to write. See, one thing more I want to tell you, one thing more, like when you speak out the table of 2, this is something I'm telling for the parents. It is never 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 कुछ नहीं होता है. Never say 2 ones are 2 to your kid. ये होता है 2 ones are 2. आर कौन सा वाला है? ये ARER होता है जो इंग्लिश में, वो होता है ये 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So this is how you have to speak with your kid also. 1 ja 2 ja कुछ नहीं होता है. This is absolutely wrong. Okay. Now Riyansh, tell me. Instead of R, when I'll speak, you have to write the table of 2. I'm saying 2 ones are. So where I say R, you have to write one equal to sign. So I have told my kid that you have to write one equal to sign when I say R. Okay. Now count the number of diamonds. How many diamonds are there, Riyansh? 2 diamonds. So what will you write after equal to? 2 diamonds are there, so you will write 2. Okay, next line we will write. We'll take the next card. Now we will ask the child to write 2 first. Write 2, then multiply cross, and then Riyansh, tell me how many cards are there. How many cards are there? Say 2, and instead of R you will write equal to. 2 twos are. 2 twos are. Now count the number of diamonds, Riyansh. 4. So the number of diamonds are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 2 twos are 4. Okay. Now we'll come to the next. Now Riyansh, write down 2 again. Write down 2 again. 2 again. 2. Then cross. Then write cross. Then how many cards are there, beta? How many cards are there? 3. And then write 2 threes are. Instead of R, the kid is going to write equal to sign. Write equal to sign. Everyone will write equal to sign. Write equal to sign, beta. Write equal to sign. And then Riyansh, you are going to count how many diamonds are there. Say loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 2 threes are 6. Okay. 2 threes are 6. Then the next card, Riyansh, write 2 once again. Write down 2 once again. 2. Then multiply cross. Multiply is with that sign cross. You're doing Saksham, Harshit, Dhruv. You all are doing? Yes. 2 4s R की जगह हम लिखते हैं equal to sign. Equal to sign लिखेंगे. Now Riyansh, count how many diamonds are there. Say loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, so 2 4s are 8. Very good. Now I will put the next card. Okay. Next card. Now Riyansh, just write 2 again in the next line. 2 again in the next line. 2 again in the next line. Then write multiply sign. Multiply sign. 2. How many cards are there? How many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 5s are, write down 5. 2 5s are. 2 5s are. Then R की जगह आप equal to sign लिखोगे. Equal to. Now Riyansh, count the number of diamonds. Riyansh, count the number of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, the number of diamonds are 10. So that means 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. One more card. Now Riyansh, write down 2 once again. Write down 2 once again. Then write multiply sign. Now how many cards are there? Just count the number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 2 6 R. 2 6 R. R की जगह क्या लिखते हैं बेटा? क्या लिखते हैं अर्शित? R की जगह सक्षम. You write equal to. R की जगह लिखते हैं equal to. और अब डायमंड्स काउंट करेगा रियांश फिर से. रियांश, just count the number of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So number of diamonds are 12. Okay. So that means 2 6 are 12. Okay. 2 6 are, write 1 to 12. Very good. 2 12. See, he is writing. Now I'll put another card. Now Riyansh, write 2 once again. Write down 2 once again. Because we are writing table of 2. So again you have to write 2. Okay. 2. Then multiply sign. Everyone is doing? Yes. Debyanshu, Harshit, Dhruv, all are doing. 2. Now how many cards are there? Just count. Okay, okay. Count the number of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, so we are calculating 2 7s are. 2 7s are. Now Riyansh will again count the number of diamonds. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 diamonds are there this time, right? So 2 7s are 14. 1 4 14. Okay. Yes, very good. Another card. Only 2 more cards are left. It is about to be finished. Okay. Next. Now we are right in the next line. Write 2 again. 2 again. 2 2 and then multiply cross sign. 2 then cross sign. Then write the number of cards. Just now count the number of cards, Riyansh. How many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So 2 8s are. 2 8s are. Instead of R, you will write the equal to sign. Now, Riyansh, count the number of diamonds quickly, quickly, quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 diamonds. So 2 8s are 16. Yes, you all are doing. 2 8s are 16. Very good. Then one more card. Yash, Write 2 again. Write 2 again. 2 again. Then write multiply sign, cross with a cross, and then write how many cards are there. How many cards are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, so 2 9s are 2 9s are R की जगह क्या लिखते हैं? Equal to. Okay. अब नारियांश count the number of diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17, 18. How many? 18. So 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. Okay. The last card is left. Wow. We are almost done. Okay. Now Riyaz, write down 2 again. Write down 2 again. Write down 2 again. Yeah. So now count how many cards are there now. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2, yes. So 2 10s are R की जगह you will write equal to. Now Riyansh will quickly count the number of diamonds. Okay, how many diamonds do we have? 2 10s are. Count the number of diamonds, Riyansh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So we have 20 diamonds. Okay. So 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Understood? Everyone has understood? Yes? So did you enjoy? Everyone has done the table of 2. So this is the way you can do any table. You can make your child do any table in this way. Okay, like the number of diamonds that we have made. For table of 3, we will make 3 diamonds. For table of 4, in a card, we will make 4 diamonds. Okay, so this is how you can introduce the table of 2 to your child, because instead of just making him learn the table, it's better that you make him understand the concept. Okay, so this is basically the concept. Okay, and never say 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 is wrong. 2 1s are 2 kuch nahi hota. It is 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. Okay, so every time you do it, you have to count. First, you have to count the number of cards lying on the table, and then you have to count the number of stars. Okay, so the number of stars is the answer. Okay, in the same way, if you're making your child learn the table of 3, you just make 3 diamonds in a card. Okay, fine. Now, if you have any problem, do let me know. I'll just put everyone on unmute now. You all can unmute yourself now. If you have some query, if you want to ask something, you can unmute yourself.
But in schools and ma'am, they don't use cards, na? Schools.
Sorry?
So they don't use, children don't use cards in schools.
See,
Like you have
I understand that in school they don't use cards, but this is only to make them understand the concept. Once they understand the concept, then they will be able to write themselves also. Okay, obviously they'll have to learn a little, but this will help them out in understanding the concept. Okay, and never make them learn 2 1 ja 2. The 1 ja kuch nahi hota hai. 2 1s are 2. Okay, so this way if you introduce the table of 2 to your kid, it will be easier for him to understand the concept. रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं कराना है हमें अपने बच्चों को कि रटो बैठ के 2 1 जा 2 2 2 जा 4, ये बिल्कुल रॉन्ग है, एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग। 2 1 जा 2 कुछ नहीं होता, 2 1s are 2, this is how you have to make them understand. Okay, 1 जा कुछ नहीं होता। फाइन, ऑब्वियसली अब वो कार्ड स्कूल में नहीं ले जाएंगे लिखने के लिए, लेकिन अगर उनको एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ जाता है तो वो अपने आप ही लिख पाएंगे। एक बार उनको कॉन्सेप्ट समझाने की जरूरत है। ओके, ध्रुव हैव यू डन? हाँ, शो मी, एवरीवन शो। Who was that? Sharan, have you done? Dhruv, Harkuvar, have you done? Very good, very good. Tamnishtha, you have written so well. A big star to you. Okay, you've written so well. Anshika, have you done it?
My name is
लाइन के टेस्ट कर रहे लिख रहे हैं।
Wow, who has done so well? Very nice. Very good, very good. See on your camera, Shreya, on your camera, I cannot see you. Who is that?
टेस्ट कर लाइन के।
Tell me. Saksham has done so well. Saksham, a big star to you. Pratyaksh, you have also done very good. Pratyaksh, a big star to you also. Devya, very good. You are a rock star. You've done so well. Very nice, everyone. Very good, very good. Everyone has done so well. चलो अब हम सब एक साथ बोलेंगे, ठीक है? 2 का टेबल एक साथ बोलेंगे। चलिए बोलिए, everyone will say everyone, 2 1s are 2. Say 2 1s are 2. 1s are 2. Very good. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Yes. 2 5s are 10. Yes. So everyone has to practice table of 2 at home and send me the picture. Okay? Okay? Fine? Okay, beta. I'll see you in the next class tomorrow. Fine? You just practice the table of 2 and table of 3 also you can try writing. Okay? Bye-bye. Bye, Dhruv. Bye, Harkuvar. Bye, Sharan. Bye-bye, everyone. Anshika, bye. Shamika, bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Pratyaksh, bye. Lakshit, bye, everyone.